Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Daily Dose English. I'm Lisa, and today we're going to talk about something very familiar, very cozy, and very delicious: cooking. Cooking is not just about food. Cooking is about daily life, and daily life is the best place to practice English. So today, I'm going to cook, talk, think, and enjoy English with you. No pressure, no stress, just simple English, like we're chatting in the kitchen together. Every morning I wake up and think, what should I cook today? Sometimes I feel excited. Sometimes I feel lazy. And sometimes I just open the fridge and stare at it for a long time. I look inside and say, okay, eggs, vegetables, and some bread. That's enough. I start with washing my hands. Then I take out the ingredients. I like saying things out loud while I cook. I'm cutting the vegetables. I'm cracking the eggs. I'm heating the pan. When I speak like this, English feels natural. It feels easy. It feels alive. I enjoy cooking because it helps me slow down. When I cook, I don't rush. I listen to the sound of oil in the pan. I smell the food. I watch the colors change. And I talk to myself in English. The onions are turning golden. This smells really good. I should add a little salt. Cooking becomes my English practice time. Sometimes I make mistakes. I burn the food. I add too much salt, but that's okay. I smile and say, oops, I made a mistake. I'll do better next time. Learning English is the same. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep going. In the evening, I like cooking dinner. Dinner feels warmer. It feels more relaxing. I think about my day while I cook. Today was busy. I talked to many people. I feel a little tired, but I'm happy. Cooking helps me reflect, and English helps me express my feelings. Sometimes I cook alone. Sometimes I cook with music. Soft music makes cooking more fun. I sing quietly. I move slowly. I feel comfortable. This is my favorite part of the day. I'm cooking for myself. I deserve a good meal. Speaking English like this feels natural, not forced. On weekends, I like trying new recipes. I read simple recipes in English. First, prepare the ingredients. Next, heat the pan. Finally, serve and enjoy. I don't understand every word, and that's okay. I focus on the main idea. Cooking teaches me patience. English teaches me confidence. Sometimes my friends ask me, why do you talk in English when you cook? I smile and say, because cooking is part of my life, and English should be part of my life too. You don't need a classroom. You don't need a teacher all the time. You just need moments. Moments like cooking. Moments like walking. Moments like relaxing at home. When I clean the kitchen, I also speak English. I'm washing the dishes. I'm wiping the table. The kitchen looks clean now. Simple sentences, simple actions, big improvement over time. Cooking makes me feel calm. English makes me feel confident. When I mix both together, learning becomes enjoyable. I'm not studying, I'm living. So today, I want to invite you to try something. Next time you cook, don't be silent. Talk to yourself in English. Say what you're doing. Say what you feel. Say what you see. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be you. Cooking is warm. English can be warm too. Let English enter your kitchen. Let it be part of your daily life. This is Lisa from the Daily Dose English. Thank you for listening. Enjoy your cooking. Enjoy your English. See you in the next episode.